Hey guys, so I'm just here to make a quick video about what happened to my neck. And obviously I can't say too much because I'm going to be talking to I might be talking to some lawyers. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to jinx it, but a few weeks ago I was in a car accident. And the taxi driver we were coming out of the supermarket with, it was me and my mom, and she was in the back, I was in the front. And he hit the lamp really hard, and I felt my neck go back. I felt my neck jolt, and it really hurts. It's been hurting ever since then, and it really sucks that it happened, but it did. Now every time I get in the cab or if I think about it, I cry. It just really sucks because sometimes I think it's my fault, and I know it's not. And that's what I think. Sometimes that it's my fault that it happened, and I wish it never happened. And I'm really angry about it. So I just wanted to address that, and because I know some of you were asking what's wrong with your neck, what's wrong with your neck, and that's what's wrong with my neck. And I can't hold it up most days. And it really hurts, and it starts to damage, which is permanent. It's gonna be permanent. So that's what's going on. And I'm really sad about it. So I'll make a quick video. Please subscribe.